Good evening, Claymont families. Welcome to Claymont Elementary's open house. We want to let you know that we're so excited that you will be joining us and that Claymont Elementary is home of Cougar Kindness. You've gotten to hear some of our voices or to see us outside. Of course, we've had our mask on, so we wanted to take an opportunity just to introduce ourselves and let you know who we are. So again, I am Principal Tammy Stewart. You get to hear me every Sunday at 4:02 p.m. I have been in education for 26 years. I have been the proud principal of Claymont Elementary for 5 years. Some of the things that I enjoy doing in my spare time, which is not a lot, I enjoy spending time with my children, my family, and my friends. And of course, your lovely children that you send to us daily. Up next, we have Mr. Romano.
Hey, Cougar families, I'm Mr. Romano. I've been in education for 19 years, including teaching kindergarten, second, and fourth grades. This is my 6th year as assistant principal here at Claymont. I also enjoy spending time with my family and friends, as well as playing sports. Up next, we have Dr. T.
Good evening. My name is Melinda Tartaglione, and I have been in education for 22 years, teaching at the high school level Spanish and German for 15 years. And then I was at Tally Middle School as the Dean of Students and assistant principal at Tally for 7 years. And now I am here as the assistant principal, one of the assistant principals at Claymont. In my free time, I love spending time with my 4 children, my family and friends. I love to garden, love cooking, and anything creative, I am there. Up next, we have Mr. Burks.
Hi, everybody. I'm Mr. Burks. I'm the Dean of Students here at Claymont Elementary School. I've been in education for 20 years. Prior to being a Dean of Students, I was a school counselor at the elementary level, so I definitely know the social and emotional development of our little guys. Love coaching basketball and coaching tennis is one of the things I enjoy most in my free time. I also like spending time with my families and friends and just hanging out. Looking forward to having a great year with everyone here at Claymont Elementary. And next up, I'm going to introduce you to somebody new and awesome, Miss Dana Jackson, our other Dean of Students.
Hola, Claymont Cougars. It's nice to see you this evening. My name is Dana Jackson. I'm our Dean of Students. I've been in education for 15 years, teaching in grades 3 through 5. I'm happy to be your Dean of Students this year. I enjoy planting, cruising secondhand shops, spending time with family, live music, and any kind of fun in the sun that involves swimming. So it's nice to see you this evening. Welcome.
So we just want to give you a brief overview about the school. We are a K-5 school. We have about 850 plus students. We house our Spanish immersion program, our gifted and talented in 4th and 5th grade, and our BSAT program, which is the Brandywine Specialized Autism Program. Our mascot is the Cougar. We hope that you have seen him or her around. Our colors are purple and gold. Our hours are from 8:35 to 3:30. So we are starting breakfast for our walkers. They can come into the building at 8:35, and for our car riders at 8:40. All students are offered breakfast, and then late arrivals start at 8:55. We do ask that if you are going to pick up your child, if you could do that before 2:45, we would greatly appreciate it. And of course, please remember to bring your ID. Up next, we'll have Mr. Burks.
Hi, guys. I just want to talk really quick about our positive behavior system. And this is a way that we teach the expectations for our students throughout the building. So one of the things we do is we teach them the Cougar way and our expectations, which are being respectful, responsible, and cooperative. Through that, we teach them by social and emotional skills how to develop and be a better student and be a better growing young person. Our motto is always Cougar Kindness. So you'll see it out on our board out front, and you hear us tell our students that oftentimes, that we want to be Cougar kind in everything we do. We provide individual and classroom incentives by earning Cougar Cash. And at the end of the year or midway throughout the year, we have different special programs that they can spend their Cougar Cash on, or small trinkets and items that they can spend their Cougar Cash on. We also plays into effect our academic and our social emotional learning recognition that we have throughout our building. We're very big on PBS. We want to push it. We want to promote positive behavior throughout our whole building. I'd also like to talk about our USDA Universal Feeding Program. So all Claymont students will be able to eat school breakfast and or lunch due to the USDA's community eligibility provisions, which is a result of the Healthy, Hunger-Free Kids Act of 2010 and provides universal meals to students in school districts that qualify. Every student at Claymont will receive a healthy, nutritious breakfast and lunch each day at no charge to your household. You don't do anything, no action needed. It's already provided to them. So we want to make sure they're being physically healthy, eating a great lunch when they come in here. Next up, we have Ms. Jackson.
Our code of conduct is very important to us. In an effort to create a positive, respectful, orderly school environment that is welcoming and inclusive, the students at Claymont Elementary will be asked to follow the code of conduct for students developed by our Brandywine Board of Education. This document can be found on our website. Remember, following the code is our Cougar way. For safe schools, safety first. In order to keep us safe, we have our monthly fire drills, lockdown drills. Thank you so much for showing your photo ID required to pick up students and for early dismissal, and for wearing your visitor's badge anytime you enter our school building. We have our No Bully initiative, and also we practice safe routes to school, whether it be walking or biking. Mr. Romano.
A critical component of our academic success is having our parents as partners. So we need to really make sure that we're building those relationships with both our students as well as our families. You could get involved with our PTA. Family engagement is critical. We'd love to see families involved. Even in the COVID world, we need to find ways to be able to involve our families. So please visit us on Facebook at Claymont Elementary PTA. And Claymont is a Title I school. It's the largest federally funded educational program. The program provides supplemental funds to school districts to assist schools with large concentrations of low-income students to help meet their educational goals.
And we want to highlight how important communication is between home and school. Students that are in kindergarten through first grade have communication folders, and you should be checking for them daily. They go back and forth between the home and the classroom with lots of information that you need. Agenda books are used in 2nd through 5th grade, and this is such an essential skill. Students need to learn how to note what they have to do so that they become organized as students in the future and can be successful at the middle school and high school level. Newsletters are available in all grades and go out to each marking period. The website is updated regularly, and you can find valuable information on there, from forms that you might need, the calendar, and our daily announcements. Many more items are on there as well. Each week you will be receiving regroup messages, so please make sure that you are listening for them and listening to the messages so you are aware of what is going on here at Claymont. Emails and telephone numbers should be updated so that you are receiving those and we can reach out to you if there is an issue or just need to chat with you. Class Dojo and Schoology are both great ways to communicate with your teachers. They are available through there to message or just check on assignments. And the Home Access Center is used for grades, and that is for 4th and 5th graders, as that's when they begin to use ABC grades. So last, we want to end with just a positive quote for you. Behind every young child who believes in himself is a parent who believed first, by Matthew Jacobson. And we believe in you, and we hope that you partner with us throughout the school year. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. Have a wonderful open house. Take care.
Bye, everybody.